Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all safe and good. For the past 1 year, you had been enjoying your holidays by staying at your home. Is it right? Now also, we are going to enjoy by learning mathematics. Okay children? So, take your maths book. Mathematics class 6, okay? Term 1 book. So, see what's the first topic just given in your book? The first topic we are having in your book is about numbers. Yeah. Take your book, page number 1. Let us read the introduction. Okay, children? So, it's about the conversation between two classmates. Okay? So, let us say this is Money. Okay? And this one is Malika. Okay? This one is Malika. So let's start reading. Okay? It's a conversation between two classmates. So this boy is reading the newspaper. Okay, this boy is reading the newspaper. What was written in that? 10,000 people visited the trade fair yesterday. Okay, how many people? 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Okay, that is 10,000. Okay, children. So 10,000 people visited the trade fair yesterday. So, Malika is replying, wow, that's a lot of people. Okay, this girl Malika is replying, wow, that's a lot of people. And again, this boy, Money is replying, thank goodness, I went to the trade fair exactly yesterday. Nalla vela நேத்துக்கு தான் நான் வந்து trade fair க்கு போனேன் அப்படினு. So, again Malika is asking, why? What is so important about it? ஏன் அதனால என்ன அப்படினு கேக்குறா. Okay, so again, Money is saying, don't you see, if I had not gone, they would have returned 9,999 people only visited the trade fair yesterday. If I didn't went there, they will have written in the newspaper like this. Okay, how they will return? 9,000. Okay, 9,000. 9,999. Okay, 9,999. Okay, that is 9,999. Okay, if he didn't win means they will have returned like this. Okay, he is saying like that. Simply, it's a funny story. Okay, it's simply a funny thing, but the numbers we are having here 10,000. Okay, simply 10 in the newspaper it was written as 10,000. If he is saying that if he didn't went there, okay, if he is not there means what will we get? 10,000 minus 1. Okay, what will you get? 9,999. Okay, children. So this is the thing they had mentioned. Okay, so 9,999. If you are reading this number means it's hard for us. Is it right? It's hard for us to say, right? Comparing to this 10,000, it's hard for us to write. So that he is saying, if that is written as 9,999 means it will be hard for us. So that, thank goodness, likewise he is saying. Okay, children. So what you can understand from this? So if you are having a number like this means it will be harder for us. Okay, so for this, first of all we are going to learn about the number names. Okay, we are going to recall what we have learned in the smaller classes first of all. Okay, children. So in the first class we are going to learn about the recall all the number names from 1 to 1,000. Can we do? So if we have learned the number names means it will be very easy to write the number names, right? So that first of all I have written you the number Okay, shall we read? ONE1, TWO2, 3, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9 and TEN 10. Okay, first of all, you are going to write the number names from 1 to 1000 on your marks notebook. Okay, that's your work. Yeah, take your marks notebook. Fold one page. Okay, fold the. Okay, you are going to take the marks notebook just given in the previous year, right? So take that notebook and fold one page and write it as class 6. First of all, we are going to learn about the number names. Okay. So write from 1 to 10. Okay, numbers from 1 to 10. Take down this. Okay, learn and write. Okay, children. It's your homework and also this is only your classwork. Okay, children. Yeah, take down it neatly. Pause the video and write. Okay. And then from 11 to 20. Okay. 11 ELEVEN. Okay, 11. And then TWELVE 12, THIRTEN 13, FOURTEN 14, FIFTEN 15, SIXTEN 16, SEVENTEN 17, EIGHTEN 18, NINETEN 19, TWENTY 20. Okay, children, learn and write. Okay, take your own time, write neatly, and also while writing, learn and write. Okay, children, while coming for correction, I'll ask all these spellings so that I am taking all these spellings for one class. Okay, children, pause the video and write. From 21 to 30, TWENTY 20, ONE1. Okay, 21. TWENTY 20, TWO2. So 22. Okay, TWENTY 20, 3 THREE 23. Okay, and TWENTY 20, FOUR 4. Okay, 24. Okay, again 20, FIVE 25. Okay, 26. 27. Okay, 28. 29 and 30. THIRTY 30. Okay, children, take down neatly. Okay, pause the video and write. Draw the lines by using your scale and pencil. Okay, children, write by using only the blue ink pen. Okay, children. And then 31 to 40, THIRTY 30, ONE1. Okay, THIRTY ONE1 31. Okay, and again THIRTY 30, TWO2. Okay, THIRTY 30, THREE 33. Okay, THIRTY and FOUR 4. Okay, 34. Again 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. What is the spelling of 40? FORTY. Okay, you should not write it as FOURTY. You should write it as FORTY. Okay, yeah, take down, pause the video and write. Okay, and then 41 to 50. Okay, FORTY 40, ONE1. Okay, F41. Okay, and then FORTY 40, TWO2. FORTY 40, THREE 3. Okay, 43. Okay, FORTY 40, FOUR 4. Okay, 44, 45. Okay, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, FIFTY 50. 50 spelling is FIFTY. Okay, children, write neatly. Pause the video and write. Okay. And And then from 51 to 60, FIFTY 50, ONE1. Okay, 51, FIFTY 50, TWO2 52, and FIFTY 50, THRWE 53. Okay, and then FIFTY 50, FOUR 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. SIXTY 60. Okay, SIXTY. Okay, children, write it. Pause your video and write. Okay. Let me rub the board and let us start writing from 61 to 70. Okay. And then 61 to 70, SIXTY 60, ONE1, and SIXTY 60, TWO2 62, SIXTY THRWE 63. Okay, SIXTY FOUR 64. Okay, SIXTY 60, FIVE 65. Okay, 66. Okay, and 67, 68, 69 and 70. SEVENTY 670. Okay, children. So write neatly. Pause the video and write. Okay. And then 71 to 80, SEVENTY 70, ONE1 71, SEVENTY TWO 72. Okay, SEVENTY THRWE 73. Okay, SEVENTY FOUR 74. Okay, SEVENTY FIVE 75. Okay, SEVENTY SIX 76. Okay, SEVENTY SEVEN. Okay, 77, 78. Okay, SEVENTY EIGHT. Okay, 78. SEVENTY NINE. Okay, 79. EIGHTY 80. Okay, children, take down. Pause the video and write. Okay. Then 81 to 90. Okay. EIGHTY 80, ONE1 81. Okay. EIGHTY 80, TWO2. Okay. 82. EIGHTY 83, THRWE. Okay. 83. EIGHTY 80, FOUR 84. Okay. EIGHTY 80, FIVE 85. Okay, EIGHTY 80, SIS 86. Okay, 87, 88, 89 and 90, NINETY 90. Okay, children. So let's write from 91 to 100. So 91. NINETY 90, ONE1. Okay, 91. NINETY 90, TWO2. Okay, NINETY. Okay, 90, THRWE 93. Okay, NINETY FOUR 94. Okay, NINETY FIVE 95. Okay, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, children. So if it is from 101 means 100. Okay, we are having 100 spelling here, right? 101. Okay, likewise you need to continue from as like 1, right? 101, 102. Okay, likewise you need to continue. Okay, children. So if we have learned all these spelling means it will be easy for you to write 101, 202. Likewise you can continue 200, 300, 400. Okay, so that let's learn about 100, 200, 300 spelling. Okay, so copy it all these in your notebook. Take down neatly. While putting lines, use scales and pencils. Okay, children. So pause the video and write. Let me rub and write 100, 200. Okay, spellings of 100 and 2 likewise up to 1000. Okay, children. So what's the spelling for 100? You have learned, right? HUNDRED. 300. And then 200, TWOHUNDRED. Okay, 200. 300, THREEHUNDRED. 300. Okay. 400, FOURHUNDRED. Okay, 400. Likewise, 500. So 500. Okay, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. So what is the spelling of 1000? THOUSAND. Okay, 1000. Okay. So if the number was given as 241, how will you write? 200. Okay, 241. Okay, 241. And again, if it was given as 999, how will you write? 999. Okay. And then from 1000 to lakhs, how will you write? So 1000, what is the spelling of 1000? THOUSAND. Okay, 1000. Okay. So 2000, how will you write? TWO2, THOUSAND. Okay, 2000. Okay, 3000. THREETHOUSAND. Okay, 3000. And then 4000. FOURTHOUSAND. Okay, 4000. So likewise it will go on. Okay. So if we need to write from 1000 to lakh means how will you write? 1000, 10,000. Okay, 10,000. 10,000 means how will you write? 10,000. Okay. 100,000. 100,000 means how will you write? It's 100,000. Okay, this 100,000 we'll call it as lakh. Okay, can you all understand? So 10,000. Okay, we'll write the same. If it is 100,000 means we'll change it as lakh. Okay, children, can you all understood? What is the spelling of lakh? LAKH. Okay. LAK. So if it is 6 lakhs means 6 lakhs you will write. Okay, children, can you all understood? 6 lakhs if the number is as 6 lakhs, how will you write? 6. Okay, can you all understood? For 100, if it is like this means you will directly write it as lakhs. Okay, children, can you all understood? So 10,000, so 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. So shall we write? $20,000. Okay, TWENTYTHOUSAND. Okay, 20,000. Okay, 30,000. How will you write? THIRTY. 30,000. THOUSAND. Okay, 30,000. So 30,000. Okay. So 40,000, how will you write? FORTY. 40,000. THOUSAND. Okay. 50. FIFTY. 50,000. Okay. And then 60,000. Okay. 70,000, and then shall we write here 70,000 EIGHTY, okay, 80,000, 90,000, and then lakhs, okay, LAKHs. Okay children, can you all understand? Lakhs means, okay, how many zeros does a lakh have? 5 zeros, okay. So 1,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, and lakhs. Okay children, can you all understand? Take down this in your notebook very neatly. Let us continue this lesson, okay. Let us continue this lesson in the next class, okay children. Write neatly, only use blue pen. Okay, thank you.